So here we are in another My Two Good Hands video. We're working on this here. It's hard to see in the camera, but we're gonna, this video is how to put this little item in so that we can fix our spigot here that drips. This is the gasket that seals it when it's closed. So let's show you how it's done. So the good news, put that water shut-off valve in. So now we got the water shut off. You gotta do this. You wanna make sure that you don't twist this thing. So you gotta put a pipe on here, a wrench on here, try to hold this while we put another one here, and you see how easy that broke loose there. Hopefully you can see that broke loose. So this is pretty easy. As we open this up, you can see the whole thing turns, and out it comes. And what we're going to do is replace the O-ring on the end. So let's go show you how to do that. So the way to take these apart, you got a screw in the center here. Take the screw out. Then, whoop, I dropped it. But dig the old gasket out. Then you have to put the new gasket in. Now the new gasket's going to be a little tighter because it's fresh rubber. And you don't want it to be rippled, so you kind of got to work it in here. So it fits in nice. Make sure it's clean. Once we got it in there, nice and flush like that, put our screw back in the center, tighten the screw back up. The screw is kind of tight on the rubber, so we have to work that down. Let's see if we have a screwdriver. I don't think I have a Phillips. Okay. Oh, once you take that like that, take this out of the vise. You can see this still turns freely. This is going to go inside the spigot. Let's go put it back together. You can see what that looks like now that that's in there. It no longer has that nasty groove that this one has. So, putting this together is the same way you took it apart. Let's kind of slide this in. You'll feel it go in. And tighten this up here. Remember to have this backed off so the valve is in the open position when you tighten this other piece. And you don't have to tighten this real tight, just snug that plastic gasket. If you know where it was before, you'll know when you're there. If you let it tight, now when we close this, you can feel it. Now it's spongy. So if we turn it like this, it's off. We're good. We're golden. So there you go, another My Two Good Hands video. Easy faucet repair. One little part was needed. If your packing's leaking, you can buy those too. I didn't because the packing doesn't leak. I added the valve. Go see the other video where we added the valve that made this job easy. Now we can go down and turn the water on and make sure that this don't leak. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the links below to buy things. It helps support the channel. Doesn't cost you more. Helps us produce more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.